There is renewed hope for some in Washington after a group of bipartisan senators reached a deal on gun control. Senator Mitt Romney is among 10 Republicans supporting the measure. But what impact would it have on states like Utah? News specialist Matt Rascone is live with more.
Yeah, the proposal closes a loophole for domestic violence cases involving guns. But those I spoke to are skeptical about how it would help prevent mass shootings and whether it would be enough to push state legislators to enact stricter gun laws. In the wake of two horrific mass shootings in Texas and New York, mixed reaction to a new bipartisan plan that senators say will protect children and reduce the threat of violence across the country.
We're cautiously optimistic.
Nancy Halden is with the nonprofit, nonpartisan group Gun Violence Prevention Center of Utah. Her optimism comes from Republicans getting on board with gun control measures, but she says the proposal falls short of preventing the tragic scenes we saw last month.
Any movement is good movement. Does it go far enough? No. Will it stop mass shootings? Sadly, no.
The proposal includes investing in mental health and suicide prevention programs, protecting domestic violence victims, a review process for people under 21 who want to buy a gun, and resources to incentivize states to pass so-called red flag gun laws.
While I welcome those efforts, I think we should be having those discussions. I'm not sure that it's going to be a real game changer.
Senator Weiler says there have been several attempts at laws to take away guns from those who would harm themselves or others, but they've failed in Utah, and he doesn't see that changing.
They're saying, well, maybe if we give the states some money, they'll do what we want them to do. I don't think that's going to work in Utah.
Democrats have called the plan a good first step.
I think that if we want to address the issue of mass shootings, we're going to have to address the issue of assault weapons.
Yeah, a ban on assault weapons, expanded background checks are among those things that are left out of this bill. Senator Romney is behind the proposal, but it still needs to be drawn up as legislation, and Senator Mike Lee says he looks forward to reviewing it when that happens.